Hey guys, it's Claudia, and it's the next day, which is Saturday, because I started this vlog reading with the babies last night, and we were cut off with the story of Satchmo, Louis Armstrong, and then at the end I saw they had an interactive place on the web where you can go and let your children learn about Louis on video. So I'm going to take them there today, but and I'll share that experience with you guys. But seems like the sun just went down on me. But nonetheless, this is yesterday's gallon of water, so I did finish it. Woo woo! And this new day, I am starting this one. So I am halfway already before going to the gym today, so I'm going to get started on this and clean, oh not clean, but organize my room, because I've been going and haven't really taken the time to organize my room, and I'm gonna just let you guys see what I can do. So here we go. I'll start here first. So I've kind of been doing like intermittent fasting, where in the morning I will get up and drink my water and then have a smoothie, a cleansing smoothie. So the smoothie that I had today and yesterday consisted of the bananas. I showed you guys yesterday when I filmed the smoothie, but today was the same smoothie. You just add an extra banana and same cacao powder. That is so good because I love the chocolate powder. But I just came back from the gym and I had a bowl of cherries. So tonight I'm going to, like I said, I'm finished drinking this way before bedtime, and I will have some cranberry beans prepared in the crock pot with a bit of tomatoes and cucumbers. Not a whole lot, no more overeating. I'm just going to have a nice serving, and that's going to be that along with the water until tomorrow. So when I get ready to go on holiday, I'm going to be chiseled with this bikini body. And holiday is coming up at the end of July, beginning of August for a few days. So anyway, let's get this room clean. As you can see in this vlog dated July 21st, I had picked up quite a few pounds around my abdominal area, and my pants kept sliding down below my belly. Yes, I had gained weight when I was in Montgomery. And yes, I was drinking water to the tune of a gallon or more a day. So that pouch is there for a reason. I look like a Joey. No, a kangaroo with a Joey. But that's okay. Since this vlog was filmed and edited, I have since lost the weight in my abdominal area. And to prove it, I will do an updated exercise video in the gym so that you can see how the water, the green smoothie, and the intermittent fasting have all paid off for me. You'll be seeing
a makeup video or two and some story times in this setting very soon. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, besitos y abracitos a todo el mundo. Kisses and hugs to everyone. Bye. Have a great afternoon. Oops, I almost forgot. I'd love for you to join me on this channel, on this vlog channel, and my main channel, Claudia's Universe. So please subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe and share and join me on this journey. Bye!